This is me, Fadil Jabbar from the Mentor Institute of Language and IT. And today we are joined by very own Ms. Siddha Ashwin, a dedicated language instructor at Mentor Institute and inspiring host of Mentor Talks. Let's discover some interesting facts of her journey. Welcome, Ms. Siddha.
Thank you so much.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. And what about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. How's life treating you?
Life is treating so good nowadays. I'm learning new things and I'm getting more opportunities for making myself more improved for the better things.
Okay, Ms. Siddha, it has been a long time that you are teaching as a language instructor. So could you share your journey with our audience?
Yeah, I have been teaching here since for 1 year at the Mentor Institute of Language in IT, and it was a splendid and wonderful journey at Mentor Institute. And here I learned so many things as well as how to teach, and I explored myself also the new students. And it was a great journey with Mentor Institute. And the thing is that I had a great staff, one of the best leader, Sarim Shah, and the people who are living with me in this institute, they are cooperative as like family, and that's why I love my institute and I love to own this institute.
Amazing. Okay, Ms. Siddha, can you share the most memorable moment in your whole journey?
There are so many memorable moments in this journey. We have spent so much good time, like we celebrated birthdays, we celebrated some little moments, some occasions and events together, and sometimes there are some gatherings. We enjoyed a lot outside, like dinners and that. I cannot share a single memorable moment. All moments were special to me, and I captured them in my mobile. And whenever I get the free time, I watch them. I feel so happy that Allah bless me, so good people. Allah bless me, such kind of memorable moments to me that always captured in my mind.
I pray for that you will be always happy. Okay, Ms. Siddha, it has been, in your whole journey, you have taught so many students. So can you raise one name that who is the most favorite student in your
I'm not able to raise a single name in my journey. There were all students were special to me because there were some students that they cannot learn early and some they got the points early. But the thing is that every student is special for me. I can never highlight a single student that one is special, that one is like or anything else. All students are equal for a teacher.
Okay, that's good. And I think you are the best teacher. And you know, as a teacher, all students are
My
not.
student know about it, that am I a good student teacher or not.
Okay, great. And you know, all the students are not equal. All the students are not good. Some are good and some are bad. So
Yes.
can you consider the one student who was the worst in your journey? Is there anyone that could you share?
When I was teaching academically to the schools, there were so many students, they were worse. But in my English language teaching, there wasn't any student who were who was not good. But in academics, there were so many worse students, like in ninth.
Yeah, in academic there are some.
Yeah,
there are some.
I think there's a skill teaching. There's the main difference between academics and the skillful teaching. So that's why I got their worst student, but in not English language.
Could you raise the one name?
There isn't any name. If I will raise a name and that one is watching the podcast, so they will highlight the comment. So, but there isn't any.
When you will share, I will send.
Whenever I find any mistake in a student or any kind of that thing which I don't like, so I let him know in personally or her know that rectify this. But I cannot highlight someone in front of others. It can be improved easily.
Okay, Ms. Siddha, can you share some more that what is the best source of motivation in your life?
The best source of motivation is I am. Whenever I get free time and when I talk to myself, I highlight my mistakes, my things, and then the motivation, no one can give you the motivation, no one can console you better than yourself. If you find time to yourself, appreciate yourself, and then you can motivate you. So I motivated myself. No one motivated me, but sometimes when my parents in front of me, my teachers who taught me, so I get motivation from them, but the main motivation is I am.
Okay, that's great. You don't need any kind of motivation, source of motivation.
Whenever I appreciate myself, I get motivation.
Okay, that's
When I
great.
remember my achievements and the things I have done, so I just appreciate myself. That is motivation for me.
Okay, Miss Sida, one more question. What is the best version as a teacher? Who is the?
If you know that sometimes a good teacher is a teacher who knows
What do you think? Who is the best version as a teacher?
the person who can transform someone's life, means a version who can be the friendly with the students, who knows that how to treat with them. Sometimes there are those students who cannot get the points, but you know that how to treat with them. Punishment, strictness, it's not a good thing, but you know that how to treat with them. That is called the best version.
Okay,
That
that's good.
you can understand them.
That's totally inspiring. Miss Sida, as you know that teacher wants a learner. So who was your favorite teacher in your academic or the journey of English language or somewhere else?
In academic, there is always my mother. She is my favorite teacher. Or in English language or something else, he is Sir Ali Haider, one of the inspiring personalities. And I have no words for his personality. He's best teacher in my life.
And thank you, Miss Sida, for giving your precious time and sharing your journey, your experiences to all the audience. Thanks for being with us. We will meet soon with another inspiring guest. Allah.